elegantly decorated traditional living room with a mix of luxurious furnishings and tasteful decor. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring the timeless elegance of traditional room decorations. From the bed to the lighting, furniture, and other home decor elements, we'll guide you through creating a classic yet sophisticated interior that exudes charm and grace. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of traditional elegance. Let's start with the heart of any traditional bedroom, the bed. A four-poster bed is a quintessential piece that adds a touch of grandeur and sophistication. Opt for rich, polished woods like mahogany or cherry, which bring warmth and depth to the room. The headboard can be upholstered in luxurious fabrics, such as velvet or damask, adding an extra layer of comfort and elegance. When it comes to bedding, think layers of luxury. Start with high thread count sheets in neutral or jewel tones. Top it with a plush comforter or duvet, and add texture and dimension with a variety of decorative pillows. Don't forget a beautifully patterned bedspread or throw to complete the look. These elements not only enhance the visual appeal, but also ensure your bed is a cozy retreat. Lighting plays a pivotal role in traditional room decor. An elegant chandelier can serve as a stunning focal point, adding both light and sophistication. Crystal chandeliers are particularly popular for their timeless appeal and ability to catch the light beautifully. Complement this with matching bedside lamps and wall sconces to create a cohesive and well-lit space. Lamps with intricate bases and fabric shades work wonderfully in traditional settings. Next, let's talk about furniture. In a traditional bedroom, matching nightstands on either side of the bed provide both functionality and symmetry. Choose pieces with ornate details, like carved wood or brass handles, to enhance the classic look. On top of these nightstands, you can place decorative items like vintage clocks, elegant vases, or framed photographs to add a personal touch. A large dresser with an ornate mirror is another staple of traditional bedroom decor. Opt for a piece that matches your nightstands to maintain a cohesive look. The dresser provides ample storage, while the mirror adds a sense of space and light. Adorn the dresser with decorative items such as jewelry boxes, antique trays, or a beautiful vase filled with fresh flowers. Create a cozy reading nook in your bedroom or living room with a classic armchair and side table. An armchair upholstered in rich fabric, such as brocade or velvet, invites you to sit and relax. Pair it with a side table that features ornate details and a floor lamp that provides soft, ambient lighting. This nook becomes a perfect spot for unwinding with a good book or a cup of tea. In the living room, a traditional sofa sets the tone for elegance and comfort. Choose a sofa with a wooden frame, rolled arms, and plush cushions. Complement it with a pair of matching armchairs to create a balanced seating arrangement. Symmetry is key in traditional decor, so arrange your furniture in a way that feels orderly and harmonious. A coffee table is a central piece in the living room, both functionally and aesthetically. Opt for a table made from dark, polished wood with intricate carvings. Decorate it with a mix of items that reflect your personality and style. A stack of elegant coffee table books, a decorative tray, and a vase filled with fresh flowers can create a visually appealing and inviting centerpiece. A sideboard or console table is another essential piece in a traditional living room. These pieces offer additional storage and display space for your treasured items. Decorate the top with classic elements like silver candlesticks, a beautifully framed mirror, and family heirlooms. These items add a sense of history and continuity to your decor. Moving on to the dining room, a grand wooden dining table is the focal point of traditional decor. Opt for a table made from rich woods like mahogany or oak, and pair it with upholstered chairs that feature detailed woodwork. A chandelier hanging above the table adds a touch of elegance and provides ample lighting for your gatherings. When setting your dining table, choose fine china and crystal glassware to create a sophisticated look. A floral centerpiece in a classic vase adds a touch of freshness and color. Don't forget to use cloth napkins and elegant napkin rings to complete the setting. These details elevate the dining experience and make your guests feel special. A china cabinet is a beautiful and functional addition to a traditional dining room. It provides storage for your fine dishes and serves as a display for your favorite pieces. Choose a cabinet with glass doors and detailed woodwork. Inside, Arrange your china, glassware, and decorative items in an organized and aesthetically pleasing manner. Even hallways and entryways can benefit from traditional decor. An antique console table with an ornate mirror above creates a welcoming entrance. Decorate the table with items like a beautiful lamp, a decorative bowl for keys, and fresh flowers. These elements set the tone for the rest of your home and make a great first impression. In the bathroom, traditional decor can create a spa-like retreat. A clawfoot tub is a luxurious focal point, while classic fixtures in polished brass or nickel add a touch of elegance. Use marble or stone for countertops and floors to enhance the timeless appeal. Add plush towels, a beautiful rug, and classic accessories to complete the look. A traditional home office combines functionality with style. A wooden desk with detailed carvings and a leather chair create a professional and elegant workspace. Built-in bookshelves provide storage and display space for your books and decorative items. Add personal touches like framed photos, an antique clock, and classic desk accessories to make the space your own. The family room is where comfort meets style in traditional decor. A mix of comfortable seating options, such as a sofa and armchairs, provides plenty of space for relaxation. A fireplace with a beautifully carved mantel becomes a focal point, adding warmth and charm. Decorate the mantel with classic items like a vintage clock, candlesticks, and framed photos. As we wrap up our tour of traditional room decorations, remember that the key to achieving this look is balance and harmony. Whether you're decorating a bedroom, living room, dining room, or any other space in your home, focus on creating a cohesive and timeless design. By combining rich materials, detailed furniture, and elegant accessories, you can create a space that feels both sophisticated and inviting. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into elegant traditional room decorations. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest design tips and inspiration. And we'd love to hear from you. What are your favorite elements of traditional decor? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Thanks for joining us on this design journey. Until next time, happy decorating!